Have you ever wondered just how much information you can uncover using only your Android phone? In today's digital world, our smartphones are more than just communication devices. They're powerful tools that can help us explore, investigate, and discover a wealth of information right at our fingertips. Whether you're a curious beginner or a seasoned tech enthusiast, you might be surprised by the capabilities your Android device holds for open source intelligence, or OSINT. Today, we're diving deep into the world of OSINT, open source intelligence, by exploring 10 powerful, completely free tools that you can use directly on your Android device. These apps and resources will help you uncover hidden data, analyze your digital surroundings, and even track down information that's not immediately visible to the average user. With these tools, you'll be able to investigate social media, analyze metadata, scan networks, and much more, all from the palm of your hand. All you need to get started is your Android device and a curious, investigative mindset. Whether you're interested in cybersecurity, digital forensics, or just want to learn more about the digital world around you, these tools are accessible and easy to use for anyone willing to explore. Before we begin, a quick but important disclaimer: this video is intended strictly for educational purposes. Please use these tools responsibly, always respect the privacy of others, and make sure you're complying with all relevant laws and guidelines. Ethical use is key when it comes to OSINT. If you're passionate about technology, eager to boost your digital skills, or simply curious about what's possible with your Android phone, you're definitely in the right place. Get ready to unlock new possibilities and take your knowledge to the next level. Let's jump right in and discover the top 10 free Android OSINT tools together. First up, let's talk about Google Lens, a supercharged magnifying glass that fits right in your pocket. Imagine having the power to analyze the world around you instantly, just by pointing your phone's camera. That's what Google Lens offers, a seamless way to bridge the gap between what you see and what you know. With Google Lens, you can snap a photo of almost anything, whether it's a famous landmark, a mysterious object, or even a page of printed text. The app quickly processes the image and delivers instant insights, helping you identify, understand, and interact with your surroundings in ways that were never possible before. Google Lens can identify everyday objects, trace company logos, perform reverse image searches, and even translate foreign text in real time. If you're traveling and come across a sign in another language, just point your camera and watch as the translation appears right on your screen. It's like having a personal interpreter and research assistant all in one app. It's perfect for scanning business cards to save contact details, pulling important information from documents, or verifying if a photo has appeared elsewhere online. This makes it an invaluable tool for anyone who needs to gather and verify information quickly and efficiently. Journalists and researchers in particular can use Google Lens to check the authenticity of images or profile pictures. By running a reverse image search, you can see where else a photo has been used, helping to spot fake accounts or manipulated images, a crucial step in digital investigations. You can also scan barcodes and product labels to uncover deeper context about products, such as reviews, prices, or even the origin of the item. This feature is especially handy for fact-checking or when you want to make informed decisions before making a purchase. And the best part, all of these powerful features are available straight from your Android device. There's no need for complicated desktop tools or expensive software. Just point your phone, shoot a photo, and let Google Lens do the rest. It's fast, intuitive, and designed for users of all skill levels. No technical expertise required. With Google Lens, visual OSINT becomes effortless, empowering you to discover, verify, and learn more about the world around you anytime, anywhere. Next, Shodan, the search engine for the Internet of Things. The Android app lets you scan your local network or search globally for connected devices like webcams and printers. Enter a search term, and Shodan shows you open ports, protocols, and sometimes even device software versions. It's a goldmine for auditing your own network security and spotting vulnerabilities. Use Shodan ethically. Always have permission before scanning networks. The mobile app makes quick audits possible anywhere. Shodan brings network awareness to your fingertips. Maltego is a powerhouse for mapping relationships between people, companies, and domains. Whether you're a cybersecurity analyst, a digital investigator, or simply someone interested in uncovering hidden links, Maltego provides a robust platform to visualize and analyze complex networks of information right from your mobile device. The mobile app lets you enter data, like an email address, phone number, or domain name, and instantly visualize connections in a dynamic, interactive graph. With just a few taps, you can see how entities are linked, revealing relationships that might otherwise go unnoticed. It's perfect for uncovering hidden relationships, tracing ownership across multiple sites, or even mapping out social networks. This makes it an invaluable tool for professionals who need to make quick decisions based on real-time data, especially when working outside the office. Maltego's visual approach helps you spot patterns, outliers, and potential threats fast. The intuitive interface allows you to zoom in on specific nodes or expand the network to explore deeper connections, making complex data easy to understand at a glance. While not as full-featured as the desktop version, Maltego Mobile is ideal for fieldwork, on-the-go investigations, and quick checks when time is of the essence. It empowers you to conduct meaningful analysis wherever you are without needing a full workstation. You can easily export your findings, whether it's a screenshot or a detailed report, for deeper analysis later on your desktop or to share with your team for collaborative investigations. With Maltego Mobile, deep data connections and powerful investigative tools are always at your fingertips, bringing the world of digital mapping and analysis directly to your hand wherever your work takes you. The OSINT Framework app is your categorized directory of OSINT tools, right on your Android. Its intuitive interface breaks down research categories like usernames, emails, social networks, and metadata. Tap a category to find curated links and tools for deeper digging. It's a roadmap for digital investigations, ensuring you don't miss key steps. The app is lightweight and regularly updated with the latest resources. For methodical OSINT work, this framework is a game changer. Keep your research structured and efficient. Sherlock tracks usernames across hundreds of social networks. Run it on Android using Termux. Just input a username, and Sherlock scans a massive list of platforms. Instantly see where a username exists, revealing digital footprints and old profiles. It's invaluable for journalists, recruiters, or anyone verifying identities. Sherlock is a wake-up call for privacy. Your usernames might be everywhere. Mass username search, now in your pocket. Termux is a Linux terminal for Android, unlocking powerful scripts and tools on your phone. Install Python, Git, and run open-source OSINT tools like Sherlock or the Harvester. Automate searches, scrape data, and analyze results, all from your device. The learning curve is steeper, but tutorials are plentiful. Termux bridges mobile convenience with desktop-level power. For serious OSINT, it's an essential tool. WhatsApp Web Tracker lets you monitor a contact's online status and logs timestamps for later review. Add a phone number, and the app records when they come online or go offline. Export this data for deeper analysis of usage patterns. Useful for parents or professionals, always get consent before tracking. Some versions offer notifications for status changes. It's a reminder of how much can be learned from simple status updates. Find That Email helps you discover email addresses based on names, companies, or domains. Enter a name and company, and the app suggests likely email formats, sometimes even verifying validity. Perfect for journalists, recruiters, or anyone needing to reach hard-to-find contacts. Use this tool ethically, never spam or harass. Save and export results for your workflow. Find That Email puts contact discovery at your fingertips. Truecaller identifies unknown callers, blocks spam, and reveals extra details about incoming numbers. When you get a call, Truecaller cross-references its huge database to show you the caller's name and sometimes social links. Search numbers manually to trace origins or verify identities. The app flags known scam numbers, boosting your security. It's crowdsourced, so accuracy improves as more people use it. Truecaller adds a layer of insight to every call. Have I been Pwned checks if your data has been compromised in a breach. Enter your email or phone number, and the app searches a massive breach database. Instantly see which sites were affected and what data was exposed. It's invaluable for checking your own risk or verifying if a target's info has leaked. Use strong, unique passwords and enable two-factor authentication. Monitoring your digital footprint has never been easier. That's 10 powerful free OSINT tools you can use right now from your Android device. Always use these tools ethically and respect privacy. If you found this video helpful, hit like and share your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe for more deep dives into tech, privacy, and digital tools. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and stay curious.